Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit and withdraw Solana on SOLFLARE wallet. So as you can see that currently I'm in my SOLFLARE wallet. So if you haven't already downloaded and installed it in your device, then you need to make sure that you do it first, and then you just have to simply log in into your SOLFLARE wallet if you haven't already. Now after that, the interface of your SOLFLARE wallet will look something like this, where in the top you will be able to see your current balance, and here in the assets you will be able to see Solana. Now first we are going to deposit some Solana into our SOLFLARE wallet, and in order to do it you need to tap on the receive button, and after doing so you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address over here. So you just have to copy this address from here, and then you just have to launch that particular wallet or that particular exchange from which you are going to send your Solana. Let's say I have some Solana in my Exodus wallet, so I'm going to use my Exodus wallet in order to deposit Solana into my SOLFLARE wallet. So whichever wallet you are using, you just have to follow the same steps. So you just have to open it, and then you just have to swipe to the right to the Solana. Here you need to tap on the send button, and here you just have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to deposit. After that you just have to provide the amount, and then you need to just press the enter button. On the next page it will ask you to provide the address, so you just have to paste the address that we have just copied from our SOLFLARE wallet. Then you just have to initiate and confirm your transaction, and after waiting for some time you will receive your Solana into your SOLFLARE wallet. Now if you see that, then you will be able to get it into the assets tab. If you want to withdraw any other coin, then you can even tap on the manage assets option, and here you will be able to see the list of all of the coins that you can withdraw. Now in order to withdraw your Solana from the SOLFLARE wallet, you need to press the send button, and here you need to provide the recipient's address. So you need to just copy the address from the exchange or that wallet in which you want to withdraw your Solana from the SOLFLARE wallet. Then you need to just paste the address in this section, and after that on the next page you just have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw from the SOLFLARE wallet. After that you need to just tap on the withdraw option and confirm your transaction. Now once the transaction is completed, you will be able to easily withdraw your Solana from your SOLFLARE wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.